Good afternoon to all. Is it audible now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, it is audible, sir.
Okay. Are you ready to present?
Yes, sir, audible.
Very good, very good. Very good evening to good afternoon to one and all. Okay. Gathered here. Right now we're going to start the international conference presentation. As per the order, you can start. Okay. Myself, Dr. Dharmarajan. I'm a professor and associate director of this Wales institution. Okay. Congratulate to all. Start now.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon to everyone, to all the distinguished delegates, scholars, academics, students, resource persons, and global participants who have joined us today. On behalf of the Indian Council of Research and Development (ICRD), in association with SKRGC Academy, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you to the International Conference on Artificial Intelligence for Future Education (ICAIFE 2025), held virtually on 29th November 2025. Before we begin, I request all the participants to kindly remain muted and utilize the chat box for queries and message. Let us begin this global event with positivity and the spirit of innovation. To begin the formal proceedings of ICAIFE 2025, now it's the time for welcome address. I invite our esteemed colleague Ms. P. Lavanya ma'am, admin of SK Research Group of Companies, to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you, sir. A very warm and pleasant good afternoon to all. The distinguished delegates, eminent academicians, respect researchers, speakers, and enthusiastic participants who have joined us today from different parts of the world. On behalf of the Indian Council for Research and Development (ICRD), in association with SKRGC Academy, I take immense pleasure in welcoming you all to the International Conference on Artificial Intelligence for Future Education (ICAIFE 2025), held virtually on this memorable day, 29th November 2025. This conference serves as a global platform to explore the transformative power of artificial intelligence, its role in revolutioning education, and the endless possibilities it brings to future learning ecosystems. Today, we are privileged to have a vibrant gathering for researchers, academicians, industry experts, and innovators who are all committed to advancing the field of AI and educational technologies. We express our heartfelt gratitude to all the participants for their enthusiastic response and overwhelming support. Your contribution and presence make this conference truly meaningful and impactful. Once again, I warmly welcome each of everyone you ICAIFE 2025. Let us look forward to an insightful and inspiring day ahead. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Lavanya ma'am, for the warm and inspiring welcome. Now, as we move forward in our program, it's a time for a very important segment of today's ceremony, the inaugural address. The inaugural message sets the tone for the entire conference and inspires our delegates, researchers, academicians, and participants as we begin the global knowledge sharing journey. It's my privilege to invite our esteemed colleague, Ms. S. Monica ma'am, Project Manager of LKP Academy, to deliver the inaugural address for the International Conference on Artificial Intelligence for Future Education.
Thank you, sir. It gives me the great honor to deliver the inaugural address for today International Conference. The evaluation of artificial intelligence in current times is not just a technological shift, it is a necessity for the future of education. The traditional boundaries of the learning are becoming reshaped, and AI stands at the empowering educator, enriching learners, and the methodology across the globe. ICAIFE 2025 aims to bring together the brightest minds to sharp the knowledge, discuss innovation, present research, finding and collaborate toward building a future where education becomes more intelligent, personalized, and impactful. I take this moment to acknowledge the effect of ICRD and SKRGC Academy, the organizing committee, our esteemed resource person, session chairs, and all contributors whose dedication has made this conference possible in the virtual format. As we graduate ICAIFI 2025, let us embark on this journey of knowledge, sharing, innovation, and collaborative excellence. May today's discussion spark new ideas, inspire future research, and contribute meaningfully to the global AI and education community. With these thoughts, I hereby declare the International Conference on Artificial Intelligence for Future Education ICAIFE 2025 officially inaugurated.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those remarkable insights. Now it's time for one of the most awaited moment of the day, resource person address. As we are truly honored and privileged to welcome our esteemed resource person, Professor Dr. K. Dharmarajan sir, Professor and Associate Director of Digital Infrastructure, School of Computing Science and Computer Applications in Wales Institute of Technology and Advanced Studies. Your presence today brings an immense value to our international conference on artificial intelligence for the future education. We are eager to hear your insightful thoughts and inspiring message that will guide our participants, researchers, and academicians towards the innovative advancement in AI and educational technologies. Sir, we respectfully invite you to deliver the resource person address.
Very good afternoon to one and all gathered here. All the organizing member of ICRD and SKRGC, you are done a very great and social needable international conference. Right now, the artificial intelligence to plays a very vital role in each and every moment, especially for the as an academician, you need to adapt the lot of artificial tools and technology. As well as a researcher, you can learn that there are so many research tools like as a paper poll and then zero gpt. There are many research tool you can utilize in your research work. It will be produce the good result also. As well as this conference name, it should be a very needable and essential for all the academician as well as researchers. First and foremost, welcome and all the organizing member and then all the participant. Your session will be started. Thank you, and all.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful and inspiring words. Ms. Sichi Jose, start your presentation.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Can you hear, sir? Hello.
Stop.
Okay. Um, my name is Siji Joshi. I am a research scholar of Vistas, Chennai. I present the topic is the rise of AI in healthcare, revolutionizing medicine and patient care. In AI is like a super. Just wait. Artificial intelligence. AI is like a super smart helper that can learn, think, and solve the problems. In healthcare, AI is becoming a powerful partner for doctors and nurses. It can look at medical information quickly, spot patterns, and help find diseases earlier. AI tools can remind patients to take medicine, help doctors make better decisions, and even support hospitals in working faster and more safely. With AI, healthcare becomes smarter, faster, and more helpful, making it easier for doctors to save lives and for patients to stay healthy. Then there are here we discuss some key areas of AI in impact. The first one is diagnostic and early detection. AI helps doctors to find diseases earlier and more correctly. It can look at medical images like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans and spot problems that may be hard for humans to see. In areas like cancer care, AI can find early sign of cancer, which help doctors treat patients sooner and improve their chance of getting better. Then second area is personalized medicine. AI helps doctors to give the right treatment to each patient. It studies lot of information like a person's genus, health, history, and lifestyle to find out what treatment will work best for them. For example, AI can help cancer doctors choose the best medicine by looking closely at the patient's tumor. This helps to create treatments that work better and cause fewer side effects. And the third one is drug discovery and development. Making new medicines usually takes a long time and costs a lot of money. AI helps speed up this process. It can guess how different chemicals will work in the body and help the scientists to find good medicine ideas faster. AI can look through huge amount of information to find new drug molecules and even test them using computer simulations. During the COVID-19 pandemic, AI helped scientists to find old medicines that could be used to fight the virus, making the search for treatments much quicker. And the next area is predictive analytics for patient monitoring. AI helps doctors keep track of patients who have long-term illness like diabetes or heart problems. Special devices that people wear collect health information all the time. AI look at its information and can warn doctors if something bad might happen soon. For example, AI can check the person's heart rate, sugar level, or oxygen level, and help prevent things like heart attacks and dangerous sugar drops. And the next one is NLP in natural language processing in clinical documentation. AI helps doctors by writing down important information for them. Doctors can talk and AI turns their words into written notes. This saves doctors time so they can focus more on their patients. AI also read all the medical records and pick out important details, helping doctors make better decisions. Then next one is virtual health assistants. AI. Here we use the chatbots. AI chatbots are like friendly computer helpers that talk to patients. They can answer simple health questions right away. They remind people about appointments and give tips to stay healthy. These helpers are available all day and night, even when doctors are busy. Some AI chatbots even help with these feelings. They talk to people who feel stressed or worried and teach them ways to feel better. And the next area is robotic. In robotic surgery, AI is helping doctors during surgery.
The innovation in your research work.
Huh?
Please read what is the innovation in your research work, ma?
No, ma'am. No, sir.
Okay. Please go ahead to the conclusion.
Okay. Now it's a simple topic. One area that is.
Present the conclusion of your paper.
Okay. AI is helping doctors take better care of patients. It can make surgery safer and find diseases faster and give the right treatment. AI works with the doctors, not instead of them. In the future, AI will help more people to get a better healthcare all over the world. That is the topic question.
So this is doctor consultation. Okay. May provide a lot of medicine. But maybe save the disease. Okay.
Not clear, sir.
Improving the AI to bring the information. Okay. To see the solution.
Yeah.
You will be working the issue.
Develop a model for that to detect the diseases early detection, and that is here I discuss about that topic is AI in used in healthcare. How it in which areas that can be affected in affected.
Okay, that's it. That was my questions to make sure when you are going to present these meeting research and then you do. Okay. So really you present very well. Okay. Good. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Next presenter, kindly share your screen.
Okay, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Susha KB, and I am here to present a paper titled Human Robot Interaction for Collaborative Task. Uh, Human robot interaction, or HRI, has become as an essential part of modern robotics. With advancement in artificial intelligence, robots are now designed not just for automation but for direct collaboration with humans. This collaboration spans across industries, healthcare, homes, and various services sectors. In this environment, robot must be capable of understanding human intention, communicating effectively, adapting to changing surroundings, and ensuring human safety and trust. Here the significance of HRI. The need for a robot to collaborate with human in real time is growing rapidly. Unlike traditional automation, where tasks are fixed, collaborative robots must have adjust to human actions, share tasks dynamically, and support human in unpredictable situations. The objectives of the study is to review recent advancement in HRI, focusing on communication, task allocation, autonomy, trust, safety, and human factors that influence successful collaboration. Next comes the key components of HRI. Here, the communication modalities came here. For any collaboration, communication is the foundation. Robots use both verbal and non-verbal signals. For verbal communication, natural language in processing (NLP) enables robot to understand human speech and respond meaningfully. And non-verbal communication, here the gestures, posture, and facial expression help robots interpret human intention more precisely. Future collaborative robots rely on multimodal communication, combining speech, gestures, and expression for smoother interaction. Next, the key components of HRI. Here the task allocation and autonomy comes here. Collaborative robots must handle dynamic task sharing. Depending on humans' workload, skills, or preferences, robots should take over certain tasks or assist in others. Here, the examples like repetitive task, heavy lifting, and also in precision task that consistency is required. and robots must coordinate in real time also, understanding when the human requires assistance or not, and when they can perform tasks independently sometimes. And another, robot autonomy and control. Here come the another major area in that comes here. Here the balance between robot autonomy and human control come here. Complete autonomy and reduce human involvement, while too much dependence on human uh, reduce the efficiency. Robot must operate across different level of autonomy. Here the semi-autonomy and fully autonomy systems are here present. Semi-autonomy means some according to the human guidelines the robots are work, and fully autonomy just like a decision independently decision is taken by the robots, and also predict the safety also. And one another one, human factors in collaborative robots. The most important thing is trust. If humans do not trust the robots, decision or collaborative become difficult. Robots must be reliable, consistent, and responsive. The design of the robot and personality also influence the user trust and comfort. And another factor is cognitive load. Cognitive load, a robot should reduce human workload, not add the workload. Complex interfaces or unpredictable robot behavior can increase cognitive load. Therefore, robots must design, simplify the interaction, and adapt when human seems stressed or overloaded, and supports users without demanding constant attention. In the collaboration of the collaborative robots, the challenges are also faces, and some challenges comes in the safety area and ethical issues. In the safety corners, robots must detect human presence and avoid collision, and also the safety is present in psychological safety also present. Fear or malfunction or unpredictability also comes here, and some in ethical area also the challenges we going to face. Privacy concern arise when robot access personal data, and also job displacement also comes here, and ethical decision making framework also are needed for robot that make high impact decisions. And the and another one, the application of collaborative robots. Collaborative robots support manufacturing by performing repetitive or physical demanding tasks. That means improving the productivity, and also the safety of workers also comes in the collaborative application of the collaborative robots. And the applications comes under industrial environment and healthcare, domestic environment also. In healthcare, assistance of the doctors, and also comes in the surgery, that and all in industrial applications. The robots perform repetitive and demanding tasks and improve the productivity.
Please complete the conclusion part. Please complete the conclusion part of your presentation.
I can't clear.
Conclusion of your presentation.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. The future of direction in HR, improving robot learning and mixed reality interfaces, emotion recognition also are the future of this HRI. And here comes the conclusion. To conclude, human-robot interaction in shaping the future of collaborative work across multiple domains. For truly effective collaboration, robot must be able to understand, communicate, adapt, and ensure safety. Building trust, balancing autonomy, and reducing cognitive load will be central to the next generation of collaborative robots. Thank you, sir.
Next presenter, kindly share your screen.
Okay, sir.
Are you clear my question?
Good evening, sir. My name is Sini Joshi. Now, I present the topic about artificial intelligence in education.
Oh,
Artificial intelligence in education means using smart computer systems to help students learn and to support teachers. AI provides personalized lessons, give quick feedback, tasks like and help schools make better decisions. It has the potential to make learning easier, faster, and more accessible for everyone. However, it also brings challenges such as protecting student data and making sure the technology is fair for all. Overall, AI is becoming an important part of modern education and continues to grow in its role. Artificial intelligence is quickly changing education by helping students learn in ways that fit their needs, reducing teachers' administrative work and improving teaching quality. This paper looks at how AI is used in schools, what benefit it brings, what challenges it creates, and what the future might hold. AI tools like smart tutoring systems, adaptive learning programs, and automatic grading, like giving students personalized lessons and quick feedback, which helps them stay engaged and learn better. Schools also use AI to analyze data and make better decisions. However, using AI in education also creates concerns. These include protecting students' data, avoiding unfair or biased algorithms, making sure all students have equal access to technology, and preventing teachers and students from relying too much on AI. To use AI responsibly, schools need strong rules, clear guidelines, and good training for teachers. In the end, AI can greatly improve education, but its success depends on using it widely and keeping a good balance between human teaching and AI support. Artificial intelligence is becoming very important in education. It is changing the way students learn, the way teachers teach, and how schools are managed. AI tools like smart tutoring programs and automatic grading can make learning more personal, save time, and help more people access education. However, AI also brings concern about ethics, privacy, and fairness. Then benefits of AI in education. First one is personalized learning. AI can study how each student learns their speed, strength, and weakness, and then create lessons that fit their individual needs. Smart tutoring system act like personal tutors, giving quick feedback and helpful hints. And the second one is And the second one is efficiency and automation. AI can take care of tasks like grading, taking attendance, and making schedules, giving teachers more time to focus on teaching. It can also analyze student data to find learning problems is early and predict which students need help, suggest ways to support them. And the third one is accessibility and inclusion. AI tools such as speech to text, text to speech, and instant translation to help students with disabilities or language difficulties. In areas with few teachers,
Please go to the conclusion, ma.
okay. Artificial intelligence can greatly improve education. It can help students learn in ways that fit their needs and reduce teachers' workload. It can also make learning easier for many people. However, AI also brings risks such as privacy issues, unfair decisions, and unequal access. The main challenge is to use AI wisely while keeping education focused on people, not just technology. Thank you.
Very good. Very good presentation, ma. My small only one doubt, okay, from your presentation, like how the artificial intelligence to help the student to achieve the placement aspect. Right now, many of the students, they are getting the degree, they are getting the score, but most of the students, they are not placed. So let me know how we are going to, this is one of the research gap. Can you justify it?
Sir, once more.
Is it clear? Is it audible? AI,
Yes, sir, once more.
now the AI plays a very important role in the student as well as faculty also. But most of the students in
Yes.
the current scenario, they are not placed. How the AI will help to place? For example, they are not able to get the good job. Okay, the gap between the education as well as industry, there are so many things. How you are going to, in your research work, how it will be identify the problem, how you are going to solve?
They have to find using AI tools. We have to develop AI tools for that placement details. Then students can found where the placement did and admit that.
Okay, thank you. Next.
So shall we move to the next presenter? Next presenter, can you share your PPT? Next presenter, kindly share your PPT.
Sir, who is next presenter, sir? So can you say? Sir,
Vinod
my
sir, ma'am.
Vinod. Okay. Fifth presentation is there, sir. Kavita B. After Vinod.
Ma'am, after that you have to present, ma'am.
Vinod is there, sir.
Sorry, he's on the call, ma'am.
Okay.
Kavita, ma'am, can you able to share your PPT, ma'am?
Sir, Vinod is there. After Vinod. Hello.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
My topic about what makes a good teacher. A good teacher produces mind, changes lives, and regret learners with a passion for learning throughout their lifetime. They do not only teach, they guide, they inspire the shape of generation of students as if they are lifelong personalities. Based on this model, what makes a teacher outstanding? There is a harmony in the teaching that skills, attribute, and commitment that makes a magically classroom. Establish the education classroom that are enjoyable for the learner and in which every learner feels special. Translate otherwise highly abstract information into easy to achieve knowledge. The impact of good teaching on students and society, the accomplishment achieved by a talented teachers reasoned infantly dedicating the moral template of lives touched by the retired and society in general, and strong communication skills, and creating safe space for expression, and empathy, passion for lifelong learning. Lifelong learning means a good teacher never stops learning. The best educator embrace the role of both teacher and student, constantly seeking new knowledge and skills to enhance their teaching practice. And adaptively meeting diverse learning needs. Effective instructors also know that no children have the same process of learning. The class need differentiation to category, visual, auditory, and students learn new thing in the classroom. And patterns, nurturing growth at every pace, and practical strategy to maintain patterns, creativity, inspiring innovation through imagination. High quality teaching makes the boring lesson fascinate the learners. Live action, turning history into interesting story, and creativity a teaching appropriate skills, collaboration, building strong partnership of success, and integrity, decision making, accountability, problem solving, lifelong learners, resilience, inclusivity, student center, result orientation. So, leadership educator, teachers are often leaders in formal and informal ways. Leading education changes on different level. How teachers can be leaders, classroom leadership, curriculum development, mentoring, advocacy, innovation. And innovation means the most of them are binaries of the educational changes. They test out innovative appropriate learning and instruction, introduce the technology, solution, and research teaching practice, and enhance the students' learning. And communicate engagement, continuous learning. Continuous learning means leadership for an educator involves the professionalism. Is that an efficient educator in a continuous learner who applies to update the information to their teaching practice? This is because teachers are role model of their students. They demonstrate such as qualities as a perseveration, politeness, and the passion in their job, and advocating the educational equity. Educational equity means most teachers are passionate the advocate for educationally equality. The starting point, life have the same short and excellent education, growth, resilience, the learner, practical ways of foster the growth minded. The last point is very important. A conclusion. It is therefore the intention of the paper to examine 10 key mentor qualities that can transform the good teacher into a great one. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all of you.
Very good presentation, Mr. Vinod. Okay, you are telling the teaching not only for the one way, it is a two-way communication. As a mentoring system, also right now we needable. So your point it should be valid. Another thing, what is the way this concept can be implemented in the real time? For example, if you are the student or if you are the teacher, are you communicate with the teacher or you are going to communicate with the another person? Is it possible right now?
Yes, sir.
What are the metrics you going to, yeah, what are the metrics you should follow? For example, the students and faculty, the relationship, how your the primary objective of research work is up to ending. Okay,
Yes.
how,
Okay,
what are
sir.
the matrices it is possible?
Because teachers are considered more than just teachers. They are also mentor, advocate, and visionaries who, through their example, inspire students and parents. Their influence within and outside the classroom shape educational policy, promotes equity, and drives forward social changes.
Okay, good. Thank you. Next.
Kavita ma'am, you can share your PPT ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma, carry on.
Sir, this is Kavita B from Tumkur University, sir. I am pursuing a PhD under the guidance of Dr. Kusma Kumari BM in Tumkur University. Sir, my title is an automatic segmentation model for skin cancer detection and classification. Today, I am going to present the paper Dual Domain Gaussian Transformer Unit for Robust Skin Cancer Detection and Classification. Sir, skin is a very important part in our body. It is our responsibility to take care of our skin. Skin lesion is nothing but the abnormal skin of our body. Then there are two types of skin lesions, that is benign and melanoma. Benign in the sense which is not converted into cancer. Melanoma in the sense it already converted into cancer. My topic objective is to detect a model for early detection of cancer, sir. My proposed method is GDSA UNet process for the classification and the segmentation. Segmentation is nothing but a divider. My inputs are images, dermoscopic images. That is data set. The secondary data set I am taking for my research work from ISIC and sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes, good, good, carry on.
Ah, ISIC 2019 dataset, that is International Skin Imaging Collaboration, and HAM Human Against Machine 10,000 images are there, sir. For those images I am taking for our research process. Here this is my architecture for GDSA unit, that is Gaussian Distribution Spatial Attention Unit. This is a hybrid unit for the purpose of detection and classification. Unit is a before going to unit, first we have to pre-process the image. Pre-processing in the sense dermoscopic. If there is any noise in the images, it will be pre-processed by using some algorithms. Here I am taking a Clahe algorithm to pre-processing the image. After that it will be segmented in the sense the image will, here I am using unet for the segmentation process. Here the unet will divide the images into a sub parts, and it will select the region of interest where it has been affected, that is the image which is affected by a lesion. Then for this purpose, I am using UNet. For the classification, GDSA, that is Gaussian Distribution Spatial Attention, it is using a channel selection and then channel duplication and channel elimination. This process will to take will divide, sorry, which classifies the images into a benign and melanoma. That means it divides the images into a which images converted into melanoma or not, it will divide. For this purpose, I am using experimental results, evaluation measures such as F1 score, specificity, kappa, etc. On the images, HAM 10,000 and ISIC dataset, I have applied this algorithm and I got a result. This is my, sir, is it visible, sir? I am sharing screen.
No, no problem, no problem. Carry on, carry on.
It is not visible, sir. Sir, I am
No
sharing.
problem, man.
It is visible ma'am.
Okay, thank you, sir. So comparatively, proposed method will give a accuracy result compared to other algorithms, sir. That is accuracy, MCC, precision. In all those, I got a good result when compared to other algorithms. On the HAM data set, this is a graph representation of my result, and then this is a result of my proposed algorithm on the ISIC dataset. This is the graph, sir. This paper proposed a skin lesion detection and classification approach that uses two networks, that is segmentation and classification. For segmentation, I have used UNet, and for the purpose of classification, I have used GDSA and channel elimination and channel duplication, etc. It gives a very good result compared to other algorithms, sir. These are my references. Thank you, sir.
Very good presentation, ma.
Thank
Yeah, in your next year, just you can point it out. Number one, hybrid. I mean, what are the two algorithm you are going to hybrid? Just you can mention it. Number one. Number two, suppose compare the other algorithm. In what are the other two algorithm? Just you can justify that one. Another thing, the measuring matrix. Accuracy and result and precision. So you can measure in the measuring matrices, and then you can given as a accurate. So for example, 93 or 94, 95. You can mention
sir.
the this kind of points in your next work. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, shall we conclude the session, sir?
Okay, thank you.
Before we move to the vote of thanks, I would like to take a moment to extend our sincere appreciation to all the presenters of today's session. Your research works, thoughtful insights, and well articulated presentations have truly enriched the proceedings of ICAIFE 2025 conference. Each contribution reflected dedication, innovation, and a deep commitment to advancing knowledge in the field of artificial intelligence and education. Thank you for sharing your expertise with the clarity and passion. Your efforts have made this conference more meaningful, impactful, and intellectually stimulating for every participant present here today. With that,
Thank you. Bye.
thank you, sir. Thank you, all the participants.